Welcome back into Carolina Women. We're having a great time here at Lava Fitness. Later in the show, we're going to talk to Nate. Right now, though, we're going to learn a little bit about, well, really just fun with cooking and a career and all of the things. We've got Dr. Dean Chef Francine, who's joining us right now. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
This is exciting because we have a lot to discuss. I do want to give some context to our viewers, though. You are with the Culinary Institute and with the Technical College of the Lowcountry, and tell us a little bit about that and also your role there, which is a lot.
Yeah, so I am the Dean of the Culinary Institute of the South at Technical College of the Lowcountry, and so what we do is we prepare students for careers in culinary, hospitality, and baking and pastry. We have 2-year programs, and we also have certificates as well. So again, lots of stuff going on there. We also have a hands-on restaurant and a cafe open to the public, but pretty much a lot of hands-on learning. And then we also teach a lot of the business aspects of it.
It's such a neat campus too. And isn't it neat? You can actually just stop by and there's an actual cafe for the public to enjoy.
That is really cool. I didn't know that.
I know, a lot of people don't.
We're open Tuesday through Thursday, so for breakfast and lunch.
Yeah, such a cool campus.
And you have an open house coming
up. We sure do.
Has a competitive theme to it.
Very much so. So we have partnered with King Arthur Baking Company. So we actually had students submit the recipes. It's called the Taste Like Home Recipe Contest. And so it was open to culinary students as well as high school seniors and juniors interested in culinary arts or baking pastry or any of the programs. And so they entered their recipe. They had to tell their story as to why they entered that and what that represented. And then what they're going to do is that the finals have been chosen and they're going to actually compete live in front of everyone at our open house.
Like Chop style?
Kind of like Chop style.
Yeah,
they know what they're making, but yes, they are competing against each other. So at the open house, we also will have representatives from King Arthur coming in, and they'll be talking about King Arthur and the history of King Arthur and giving away a couple of things as well, swag. In addition to, we'll be opening up our doors. So we'll have a couple faculty demos, alumni showcase. We have also the college program, so it's not just you can learn about culinary, baking, or hospitality, but also learn about programs, health sciences and business and technology, whatever. On top of learning how to, what it takes to enroll and financial aid and amongst other things. So it's going to be a big deal.
And can the community, we can come and spectate?
Yes, please. We welcome everybody who's interested in attending the college, and also like for culinary enthusiasts or even non-credit programs, we'll be having a table there for that. So yeah, we welcome everyone to come in and check it out, check out what we're doing and what the students are doing. And we won't allow people to actually go into the kitchens for the competition because we try to keep that separate because the students are going to be nervous enough. But they'll be able to view from the viewing area in the hallway. So
what a neat way to, even if you're not at an age or your kids aren't at an age yet to compete, to even bring the younger ones to just kind of get a feel for what that's all about.
Yeah, what we do, exactly. And being exposed to these career pathways, especially since South Carolina's, industry, tourism is such a driver in this area, hospitality. There's a lot of career pathways and a lot of resorts just in our backyard here. That's amazing. A lot of people don't even understand or realize the scope and how important it is, and again, how large it is.
Yeah, absolutely. Especially this community with all of the great fine dining and resorts and things.
I would imagine the restaurants locally would be very eager to grab some of your graduates.
They are, and a lot of our students, you'll probably see them, and when you go out to eat and go to the different resorts, Surge is a great partner, Sea Pines is a great partner as well, amongst all the other resorts in the area. So again, it's I've got so many jobs that are open and available, even with Heritage. Like our students participate in working the Heritage every year, and they actually are on the golf course. They're actually working at Sea Pines, so it's a fabulous opportunity for students to come, and we get students from all over the area. It's not just from Bluffton, Beaufort, or Hilton Head. I mean, it's literally beyond Waltonboro and all the different counties, and we're even getting inquiries from Illinois, Ohio. I mean, just from far out as well.
We're now the hub.
Yeah, we're becoming. We're the new kid on the block because we're one of the 5 culinary schools in the state. We're the youngest, so we opened in 2022. Our program started in 2019. And then, now we're here.
It's a destination. Well, I encourage viewers to check out the website, go to the open house. So much fun. Thank you,
Yeah,
Chef.
10 a.m.
Thanks for
to
coming.
12 p.m. On April 6th. So super excited.
Coming
We
up.
look forward
Yes,
to it.
hopefully we'll see you there.
And we'll have more Carolina Women after this break.